Hey guys, I wanted to show you this really cool indoor gardening kit. My friends over at Gardener's Supply Company sent over this kit for me to check out, and it's called an indoor potting box and tools. So if we haven't met yet, hi there, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman and I'm the owner of Cranberry Fields Flower Farm here in Cranberry, New Jersey. And we'd like to give you guys lots of free, fun flower tips on how to grow amazing flowers inside and out. So basically this kit is terrific for when you want to do some indoor gardening, either in the winter or in the summer or spring. And it basically has everything self-contained in this kit. So it's got this really nice little dig out area here for when you're potting some of your seeds and you have a lot of soil. Everything is self-contained in this little dig out here, this little cutout area. And if you do have some spills, they've included this bamboo dustpan. They've included this little broom for quick cleanups. And they have all these really fun tools to work with. So this guy is a little blower for the soil that might come all over the place. Once again, keeps everything self-contained. It keeps your house neat. It's got these tweezers for those hard to reach areas when you're working with bonsais or succulents, or you're working with some small miniature plants and you got to get in those tight areas. They've included a pen and a pad for your gardening notes. And then they've included a marker. And this marker is great because you're going to use it to label the plants that you started as seeds so that you know what the flower varieties or vegetable varieties are. Then they've included these two sets of snippers. This is a mini version. Once again, great for those bonsais. And this guy's great for the larger branches. It's like a bigger daddy version of the little guy. And then they also have some twine. And you saw the pots before, and I love this little area here. This is where all these tools are hung up. There's cute little hooks, and there's another little broom to make cleanup super easy. They have a cultivator, and these guys are just the right size for indoor gardening. And then they have a little shovel. And when you're done with, they also have some gloves here, which is terrific. They're really cute. So when you're done with all of your gardening, everything kind of goes into these little compartments. And it folds up really easily, and it's got this really nice heavy latch that keeps it all contained in this really pretty wooden box, and you're all set. So this is a great item for you or the gardeners in your life, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I'm going to put a link for this product in the description below in case you want to check it out for yourself. So have a great day, everybody.